Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Just a quick update, not too much changed since the last video. AVAX just continued with sideways consolidation here. I've got two main scenarios. Actually, I've got three wave counts on this chart, but in the short term, two of them are moving together. They will use or should use the lower support area, whereas the orange scenario will use the upper support area, upper support zone. And this one will be tested first, and therefore it is currently my preferred scenario. The microstructures are not very clear on the AVAX chart. However, what we can do, we can still try to use Elliott wave to recognize some structures and to add the relevant support levels. So in the orange scenarios, or in the orange scenario, we have from this swing low that was formed in October 2023, an A wave to the upside, which is actually here in yellow because, in the yellow count, we're getting a deeper B wave, whereas in the orange count, it's a shallow B wave. So that's the orange count. A wave up, B wave down, and then a C wave rally to the upside, which would form 5 waves. And to be honest, the way it's looking at the moment, it looks more like an ending diagonal, this C wave, not an impulse. So this C wave to the upside is possibly unfolding. I don't have a great confidence or a lot of evidence that this is a C wave to the upside in the making. And the reason is because this move up is just in 3 waves, as you can see here, as highlighted by this ABC structure. Nevertheless, I can call it an ABC in wave 1 of C as an ending diagonal, this entire C wave. By the way, the C wave could reach next let's just put it onto the chart. The $213 level. Yeah, it's at least the next larger degree target that we have there. In the very short term, obviously if we say maybe the wave 1 is completed, then the move down could have started, so as a wave 2. And the idea was in the last video already that we are probably moving in some kind of a corrective pattern there, triangle or something, not entirely sure. But it seems like we continue to move in this corrective consolidation structure. Because if we go into to the 1 hour chart, you can see that from this wave 1 high that was formed on the 18th of March at around $65, the move down looks like an A wave. So it was a 3-wave move. You see that. Could be a 3-wave move in wave A. This move up is also a 3-wave move in wave B. And it's absolutely possible that we've now started a C wave to the downside. And you can see that AVAX, that the price is trying to break through or below this ascending trend line. That could indicate, or that could, let's say, accelerate downside momentum a little bit further. And then the move down would be wave C of 2. And it would be further confirmed if we get a sustained break below that trend line, but then really a break below the A wave low at $50.50. And okay, if the C wave is already unfolding, then this is a standard support area between $46.92 and $32.76, with additional support at $42.25 and $38. So we're quite far away from invalidating this scenario because there's still plenty of space. Looking at the microstructure, however, what would be the ideal target for wave C of 2? We can draw the ideal fibs as targets, and it's typically the area between the 100% extension to the 138% extension. And here we're talking about $45.75 to $41.44 as key target range for wave C of 2. Certainly the 100% extension level here at $45.75 is a key level to watch. So that's sort of what I'm tracking at the moment, and there's a good overlap between this sort of target area and the broader support zone. Yeah, that's just a quick update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.